Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am here to give you guys a technical overview between the Rizzoli stacked models and the Bun Baker, also known as the Nectre, which is a stacked wood cook stove as well. So I'm going to talk about mainly these two models here, which is going to be the Rizzoli ML80 and the Nectre Bun Baker XL, or the Nectre N550 model, which is going to be this guy right here. Located directly behind me in the center is the Rizzoli ML60, which is also a stacked model, but it is smaller than the ML80, which you can see here. This model would be more comparable to the smaller Bun Baker, also known as the Nectre N350, which I do not have the smaller Bun Baker on my floor right now. So I'll focus on these two for size comparison because they are pretty similar in size and footprint, as you can see here. So let's talk about some of these technical differences. As far as aesthetic goes, the Rizzoli is going to be very highly customizable. You can order it in a variety of color options and choices. The Bun Baker over here, the Nectre XL N550, is going to come in one color, which is black, as shown here. It's going to be a top vent only, and essentially it comes as is. It does have a nice wide firebox. As far as firebox comparison, they're going to hold, I believe, about the same size log. Main differences as far as technical goes, with the Rizzoli you can have a top or a rear vent, which is interchangeable on site. And also with Rizzoli, if you custom order it at the time of order, you could also order the stove to be a side flue as well. One thing I'll point out, which you can see here on the 60 model, is these side channels. The Rizzoli has these built-in side channels in airspace, which is going to be about this thick, about an inch, maybe inch and a half. And then it has a air outlet located around the top surface of the cooktop here that creates a nice convection style heat. With the Nectre N550 Bun Baker XL, it's going to just be a single sheet metal that goes around the stove here. You do have a heat shield on the back that has about an inch airspace, I would say, back there, that is going to create some convection heat off the back. But on the Rizzoli, you are going to get it on both sides of the stove there. You can also do a ceramic glass cooktop if you wanted to on the Rizzoli, and then you can do multi-rings as well, whereas this one is just going to have two smaller removable rings on the top of the unit. Overall, both of them are going to be an excellent product. They both have a nice air wash system, which is going to burn clean. I have a lot of cooking and baking videos, first burn videos, temperature reading videos on both models here. So generally it's going to come down to the aesthetics for most people as to what they're looking for. For that kind of rustic, more traditional cabin look, most people will lean more towards the Nectre. It's got, you know, the cast iron doors. Over here with the Rizzoli, it's got very nice sleek lines, fits the modern home, and is a very nice feature there. Rizzoli models are qualifying for the federal tax credit, which is a nice bonus feature on it, and they do also have the ability to connect into outside air as well. This railing, I should say, is actually optional. It does cost additional. So you can do the Rizzoli with no railing at all. You could do just a front railing or the 3-piece wrap railing as shown here. I really hope that you guys found this technical overview helpful, informational, and educational. If you guys like my videos, please don't forget to just give me that thumbs up. It helps me out so much when you guys like my videos. Also, please don't forget to just click that little subscribe button in the corner of the channel. If you click that nice little bell, it notifies you guys of all of my latest videos. I appreciate y'all being here. Thanks so much for watching. God bless and have a wonderful day.